Hello my dear students. So in our last class we discussed about what is meant by rational numbers and their properties, right? So in today's class we are going to work out some of the problems related to that. Question number 1. Which of the following are rational numbers? So here first question is in that question A, 3 by 8. Whether 3 by 8 is a rational number. In the last class, we discussed what is meant by rational number. So, what is meant by rational number? Anything of the form P by Q, right? Any number of the form P by Q, right? If it is of the form P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, it is a rational number, right? So, here, whether this 3 by 8 is of the form P by Q, yes, it is of the form P by Q, right? This 3 by 8 is of the form P by Q, right? So, this is of the form P by Q. Therefore, this 3 by 8 is a rational number. Okay. So, this 3 by 8 is a rational number because it is of the form P by Q. Now, the next question. Question B. 4 by 0. Whether this is a rational number 4 by 0, I told you already. Any number of the form P by Q is a rational number where Q is not equal to 0. That means this denominator should not be a 0. It should be a number other than 0. But here I have 0, right? So here P by Q, but this Q is equal to 0. But I need Q which is not equal to 0, right? So therefore 4 by 0 is not a rational number. This is not a rational number. Therefore, 4 by 0 is not a rational number. What is the reason? Because Q is equal to 0. Okay, I need Q which is not equal to 0. Okay, now the next one is question C, minus 6. Okay, so whether minus 6 is a rational number? Yes, this is a rational number because there is a denominator here. What is the denominator here? I don't have any denominator. It is not visible for me, right? So whether it is a rational number, it is a rational number because there is a denominator 1. Okay, this minus 6 can be written as minus 6 by 1. Okay, if there is no denominator, it means there is a denominator 1. Okay, so minus 6 can be written as minus 6 by 1. Now, whether this is of the form P by Q, this is of the form P by Q. Yeah, we have a numerator as well as a denominator which is not equal to 0. 1 is not equal to 0, right? So, therefore, minus 6 is a rational number. Minus 6 is a rational number. Now, the next question. 4 by minus 17. Here, I have a negative integer, right? In the denominator, I have a negative integer. Whether this satisfies the condition of a rational number, whether if it is a negative integer, whether it can be a rational number, yes, it can be a rational number, right? So, I have 4 by minus 17. The condition is Q should not be a 0. So, here the Q is not equal to 0. It is 17, right? So, this is of the form P by Q, right? Where Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, 4 by minus 17. It can be written as minus 4 by 17. Okay. 4 by minus 17 can be written as minus 4 by 17. So, minus 4 by 17 is a rational number. Minus 4 by 17 is a rational number. So, from this, it will be clear for you because here I have positive numbers, right? This is a positive one, right? So, this is a rational number. The next one I have a denominator 0. So, if it is having denominator 0, that is not a rational number. If there is no denominator, it means it is having a denominator 1. So, that is also a rational number. Here, if the denominator is having a minus sign or a negative sign, even that is also a rational number. Only thing is the denominator should not be 0. Here I have denominator equal to 0. So it is not a rational number. let us move to the next question. Question 2. Okay. So here, write each rational number in its simplest form. Okay. So when I explained about the properties, I told you already what we have to do to express a rational number in its simplest form. I need to find the HCF of the numbers, and that should be divided by the numerator as well as the denominator, right? So first step is I need to find the factors. Okay. So I need to find the factor for this 18. Okay. So 18 can be written as, otherwise the factors for 18, I need to find that. So I can find the factors. Okay. So 18. So what is the factor? 18. So 2. So 9 2s are 18. Again 3. So 3 3s are 9. Right. So I can write the factors as, I'm writing the prime factors. Okay. So 2 into 3 into 3. Right. I wrote the prime factors for that. Now 40. Right. For 40 I need to find the factors. So again 2. Second table again started. Right. Because the ones place is 0. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 0. Again in second table. So 1 2 is 2, 0. Again in second table, 5 2s are 10. Right. So how many 2 I have here? 3 times. Right. So 40 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. I have 3 2 here. Right. Then 5. Okay. Now the thing is to find the HCF, I need to take the common factors from this. So what is the common factor here? Only 2 is common in both the places. Right. Here the remaining is 3. I don't have any 3 over here. Then I don't have 5 in the first one also. In 18 I don't have 5. So the factor is 2. Right. So the HCF, what is the HCF here? HCF of 18 and 40 is 2. Right. So 2 is the HCF. Now what is the next step? I need to divide it. Right. So I am going to divide. So minus 18. Okay. So I can write it as minus 18 by 40 is equal to, what is minus 18? Minus 18 divided by, what is the HCF here? 2. Okay. Whole thing divided by 40. This should be divided by the HCF. Okay. What is the next step? First step is find the prime factors, find the HCF of that. Okay. Circle the common factors from that. So that is the HCF. Next step is write a question and you are going to divide the numerator with the HCF and denominator with HCF. Okay. So 18 divided by 2 and 40 divided by 2. So what will be the answer? So 18 minus 18 divided by 2. So in second table if I cancel this 9 times, right? So that will be minus 9. Okay. So this will be minus 9. What is the next one? 40. So 40 divided by 2. What is the answer? 20. Right? 2 to the 4, 0. So that will be 20. So here in the next step I can write, if I divide 18 with 2, I will get the answer as minus 9. Whole thing divided by 40 by 2 is 20. Okay. Whether this can be cancelled further, whether can I simplify this again? No, it is not possible. So this is the simplest form of minus 18 by 40. So what is the simplest form? First thing is I need to find the HCF of the numerator and denominator. Okay. I got the HCF. After that, I need to divide the numerator with the HCF and denominator with HCF. Then I'll be getting the answer, which is the simplest form. Okay. So last step you can write minus 9 by 20 is the simplest form of minus 18 by 40. Okay. So this is the thing. So here I have done the rough work. Okay. Whenever you do, just draw a line and you can write here as rough work. Okay. Okay. So the next question is question B. Minus 336 divided by minus 720. Okay. So minus 336 divided by minus 720. So here in the numerator and denominator I have a negative sign over there. Right. So this minus can be cancelled. Okay. So minus 336 divided by minus 720 is equal to, we have negative sign in the numerator as well as the denominator. So this minus can be cancelled. Okay. So what will be the answer then? This will be equal to 336 divided by 720. Okay. Now I need to find the prime factors for this 336 and 720. So 336. The prime factors. Okay. I need to find the prime factors. So 336. Okay. So here I can start with the second table because the ones place is a even number. So 2. Okay. So 1, 2 is 2. Balance 1. Again in second table, right? So 6 2s are 12. Balance 1. So 8 2s are 16. Again in second table. Okay. So 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. Again in second table. 2. So 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again in second table. So 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. So 21. The ones place is a odd number. So 21 can be divisible by 3, right? So third table. So 7 3s are 21. Now I got the prime factors for 336. So what is the prime factor? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. I have 4 2s over there, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. 3 into 7. Okay. Now the next one is 720. So I need to find the prime factors of 720. Now, so 720. So in second table, right? So 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. 6 2s are 12. Again 0. Again in second table. So 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. 8 is a 16. 0. Again in second table. 9 2s are 18. 0. Again in second table. 4 2s are 8. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. 45 can be divisible in third table, right? So 3 I am writing here. So 1 3 is 3. Balance 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 again it is possible in third table. So 5 3s are 15, right? Now I can write all the prime factors of 720. Again I have 4 2 over here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into again 2 3 is there, right? So 3 into 5, right? So these are the prime factors of 720. So what is the next step? I need to find a HCF. So I need to circle the common factors here. So what is the common factor? Here 1 2 is common for both, right? So here another 1 2 is common, right? Again another 1 2 is common. Again another 1 2 is common. Again 3 is common, right? So whether 7 is present here in 720? No. Whether I have another one 3 over 336? No. Whether 5 is present here? No. So these are the common factors, right? So I can write HCF of 336 and 720 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? Which is equal to, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? So what is that? 48. So if I multiply this, I'll be getting the HCF as 48. Okay. Now what is the next step? I need to divide both the numerator and denominator with 48. Okay. So I'm going to divide it. So 336 divided by 48 whole thing divided by 720 divided by 48. Okay. Now I need to divide it. So either if you need you can divide, otherwise you can cancel it also. Okay. So if you need you can divide, otherwise you can cancel. So let me cancel and show you. Okay. So here 336 divided by 48. So it can be cancelled in second table, right? So here 1 2 is 2, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, balance 1, 8 2s are 16. Again here second table 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again second table 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8. Again second table 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Again second table 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again second table 6 2s are 12, right? So this can be cancelled in sixth table, right? 1 6 is 6, 7 6 are 42. Okay, so what is the numerator now? 7. Okay, so I got here as 7 divided by now 720, right? So 720 by 48. Okay. So if I cancel it, it will be in second table, right? So here 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, 0. Here it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again in second table, 1 2 is 2, 8 is a 16, 0. Here it is 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Again second table, 9 2s are 18, 0. Here it is 6 2s are 12, right? So again in second table, if I cancel, this is 3 2s are 6. Here it is 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Now third table, 1 3 is 3. Here it is 1 3 is 3, balance 1, 5 3 is 15. So that is 15, right? So here denominator I'll have 15. Okay. So what is the simplest form of 336 by 720? It is 7 by 15. Okay. It is not further. It is not divisible. I can't simplify it any further. Okay. So the thing is, if you need, you can divide it. Okay. I have cancelled here. If you need, you can divide and you can find the answer also. It will be the same thing. Okay. Now, at last, I can write a step as therefore 7 by 15 is the simplest form of minus 336 by minus 720. Okay. So first thing is find the prime factors for 336 and 720. Circle the common factors, which is the HCF. Okay. Multiply that, you will get the HCF value. Then that HCF you have to divide with the numerator and with the denominator. Okay. So the final answer will be 750, which is the simplest form of minus 336 and minus 720.